Stop paying for CapCut Pro or Runway right now. I'm about to show you two websites that generate AI video for free. First, Flow AI, powered by Google DeepMind's VO model. You type a scene in plain English and it creates cinematic video clips or turns a photo into a moving scene. It also has reusable ingredients, characters and backgrounds you create once and use across scenes. And here's the part most people get wrong. Flow has its own free tier now. You get real credits every day. No Google AI Pro subscription needed. Pro just gives you more credits if you outgrow the free ones. Links below if you want to try it right now. Second, Skywork AI, not just a video tool, it's a full AI workspace that can research a topic, write docs, build slides, and generate a short video draft, all from one prompt, using its SkyReels video technology. It's best for quick 5 to 10 second clips, not detailed creative control. Free tier gives you 2 trial video credits to test it out, and it works best in Chrome or Edge. So, want cinematic, realistic video? Use Flow. Want video as part of a bigger content workflow? Use Skywork. Both let you test real AI video generation without paying a cent up front. If this saved you money, hit subscribe. I post a new free AI tool every week.